Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming content. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to us.
Are you seeking the ideal sublimation printer to elevate your printing business or hobby? In this video, we'll cover crucial aspects including print size and resolution. Learn about the importance of print size and resolution for your projects. Discover how different printers offer varying maximum print sizes and resolutions, impacting the clarity and size of your designs. Ink compatibility and efficiency. Understand the significance of ink compatibility with your chosen printer. Explore printers that offer efficient ink usage, minimizing wastage while ensuring consistent and vibrant prints. Versatility and material compatibility. Delve into the versatility of sublimation printers in handling various substrates. Whether it's fabrics, ceramics, metals, or other materials, the best printers showcase adaptability for a wide range of printing applications. Speed and performance. Explore the printing speed and overall performance of different printers. Discover models that balance high-speed printing without compromising print quality, ideal for businesses aiming to maximize productivity. User-friendliness and connectivity. Learn about user-friendly interfaces and connectivity options. Discover printers equipped with intuitive controls and seamless connectivity for hassle-free operation and integration into your workflow. Longevity and support. Understand the importance of printer durability and manufacturer support. Explore brands known for producing reliable printers with excellent customer service and support. By understanding these critical factors, you'll gain valuable insights into choosing the perfect sublimation printer that aligns with your specific printing requirements. Remember, this channel is for you, and your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me. So, please, drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations. Thank you for watching.